Their tangled three-dimensional nests can be more than 20 feet across and house 10,000 residents. 90% of them are females. The smaller males don't contribute much. It's the females that do all the work, tending each other's egg sacs, looking after the spiderlings, and building and maintaining their home. Here in the rainforest, it can rain really hard. And that can wreck any spider's web. Repairing the damage is easier when you have lots of willing workers to pitch in. That's what makes it possible to live in a big house made of silk in a rainy climate. But this animal house is more than a home. It's also a hunting ground. From the top of their nest, the spiders cast sticky lines of silk that drift on the breeze to catch on nearby vegetation. That creates a trap that can bring a flying insect to a dead halt. When the spiders feel a wiggle on the lines, they investigate. After subduing their prey with a dose of venom and bundling it up in silk, they cart it down to the nest for a communal feast. Tropical rainforests are home to some very large insects. Since social spiders can build enormous traps and overwhelm their prey by strength of numbers, they're perfectly positioned to take advantage of this resource. So bigger is better, but only up to a point. If the colony grows too large, they just can't catch prey fast enough to feed everyone. When that happens, the spiders will have to abandon this nest and go their separate ways to build new homes with new housemates. Group living can help animals meet all sorts of challenges, whether they face an abundance of resources